Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to format text in your Google Drawings. If you go up to the top of Google Drawings and click on the Format menu, you'll notice that there's a bunch of different options, none of which you can select because in order to format text, you have to let Google Drawings know what text you want to format. Now, because these are all individual elements, it doesn't consider the Google Drawing like one big Google Doc. You actually have to hand select what it is you'd like to format. So in this text box up here, I can either choose one single word or even a letter for that matter. And if I click on Format, now I have more options. All right, I can click on the text, make it bold, italicized, underlined, strike through, subscript, and superscript. I can even change the size of the font, the color. Let's say I'd make that purple, just that one word. Now notice that just that one word is purple. If I'd like, I can just select the entire text box. I can change the highlight color and the capitalization scheme. Let's say I want to use title case, which will basically just capitalize every single word, or at least the first letter of every single word, so I could do that as well. And then that is a text box. This right here is a word art. So if I click on that, notice if I go to Format, I don't really have as many options. Because it's word art, I can make the text bold. All right, now it's bold. I can italicize it, but look at how many of these options I just don't have access to. So as far as formatting the text within the Google Word Art is concerned, I really don't have many choices. A lot of that I'm going to handle when I insert the word art in the first place, determine its font size, color, outline, that kind of stuff. But these are the different ways that you can format text in your Google Drawings.